Namaskar and good evening to one and all present over here. I request everyone, please kindly take your seats. We are going to start the 16th convocation ceremony of Ganpat University very soon. Parents से नम्र विनंती છે કે આપ આપનું સ્થાન ગ્રહણ કરો. આપણે ટૂંક જ સમયમાં convocation ceremony શરૂ કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છે. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 16th convocation of Ganpat University. Ladies and gentlemen, the convocation procession has entered the Shamiana and we request that you all stand in respect of the convocation procession until our distinguished guests and graduating students take their seats. We kindly request you to give a rousing ovation and welcome the procession with a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, convocation procession પંડાલમાં આવી ગયું છે. પ્રોસેશનના સન્માનમાં આપ સહુને પોતાના સ્થાન પર ઊભા થઈ તાળીઓથી પ્રોસેશનનું સ્વાગત કરવા માટે નમ્ર વિનંતી છે. The patron in chief, the president, the members of the board of governors and the director general of Ganpat University welcome you all to the 16th convocation. I request everyone to please stand in respect of the convocation procession until our distinguished guests and graduating students take their seats. We kindly request you to give a rousing ovation, and we are honored and privileged to have the august presence of Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, as the chief guest. We are blessed to have Padma Shri Ganpat Bhai Patel, President and Patron-in-Chief Ganpat University. We are honored to have Padma Bhushan Swami Sachidanand Ji, a renowned saint, writer, social reformer, and the first donor of Ganpat University. We welcome Shri Rushikesh Bhai Patel, Cabinet Minister, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Gujarat, as a guest of honor. We also have with us Padma Shri Sauji Bhai Dhodakia, Founder and Chairman, Hari Krishna Exports Private Limited, as the special guest for the 16th convocation ceremony of Ganpat University.
And Dr. Mahendra Sharma Sir, Pro-Chancellor, Director General, Ganpat University, members of Board of Governors and university officials. With the widely respected and cutting-edge high-tech education campus of Ganpat University, which was established with the goal of social upliftment through education, can be found in the campus that spans to 300 acres and is covered in lush greenery. The university is one of the few in the state to have successfully implemented an industry-oriented education model through live collaboration with industries to prepare skilled manpower to the corporates in the state as well as the country. Ganpat University offers diplomas, undergraduate, graduate, and doctorate degrees through its faculties of engineering and technology, pharmacy, management, computer applications, science, architecture, design and planning, agriculture, nursing,
ગણપત યુનિવર્સિટીના 16મા પદવીદાન સમારોહ પ્રસંગે આપણે બધું હવે ગુજરાતીમાં કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. મેડિકલથી માંડીને બધું ગુજરાતીમાં ભણવાનું આપણે તૈયારી કરી રહ્યા છીએ. મારી સાથે મંચ ઉપર ઉપસ્થિત પૂજ્ય સ્વામી સચ્ચિદાનંદજી મહારાજ, મારા સાથી મંત્રી શ્રી ઋષિકેશભાઈ પટેલ, સંસ્થાના સ્થાપક પદ્મશ્રી ગણપતભાઈ પટેલ, હરિકૃષ્ણ એક્સપોર્ટના સ્થાપક અને પદ્મશ્રી સવજીભાઈ ધોળકિયા, NFSUના વાઇસ ચાન્સેલર શ્રી ડૉક્ટર JM વ્યાસ, પ્રો ચાન્સેલર શ્રી ડૉક્ટર મહેન્દ્રભાઈ શર્મા, પ્રો વાઇસ ચાન્સેલર શ્રી ડૉક્ટર RK પટેલ, ડૉક્ટર અમિતભાઈ પટેલ, બોર્ડ ઓફ ગવર્નન્સના સૌ સભ્યશ્રીઓ, એકેડેમિક કાઉન્સિલના સભ્યશ્રીઓ, સૌ સન્માન્ય ટ્રસ્ટીશ્રીઓ, આમંત્રિત મહાનુભાવો, વિશાળ સંખ્યામાં ઉપસ્થિત સૌ વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, પ્રેસ મીડિયાના મિત્રો, સૌને મારા નમસ્કાર.
I am pleased to take this opportunity to announce the name of gold medalists for their scholastic performance. Awardees are requested to come forward as I call their name and receive the medal from all the honorable dignitaries on the dais. I humbly request all honorable guests to come forward along with Honorable President and Honorable Director General to do the honor. Recipient of overall scholastic medal sponsored by Dr. D.V. Patel, Trustee, Mehsana District Education Foundation in MBA program. Master of Management Studies in Business Analytics, Pothiwala Janil Jignesh Kumar, medal is sponsored by Sri Sandeep Seth, Trustee of Mehsana District Education Foundation. Master of Management Studies in ERPs, Purnima Chauhan. Master of Computer Application, Raval Krishna Rajendra. The medal is sponsored by Natubai J. Patel, Trustee, Mehsana District Education Foundation. For degree of Master of Science in Computer Application and Information Technology, Patel Deepak Kumar Rakesh Bhai, medal is sponsored by Sri Vasantbhai T. Patel, Trustee, Mehsana District Education Foundation. For MSc IT, Soni Jeet Rajesh Kumar. For MSc IT Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Patel Yash Rajubhai. For MSc IT Cyber Security, Gajjar Mitesh Vithalbhai. For MSc IT Infrastructure Management Services, the medal is sponsored by Srimati Hasumati Ben Patel USA, Prashant Sharma. Prashant is the recipient of overall scholastic medal for Master of Science in IT. This medal is sponsored by Aruna Ben Mukund Parikh, mother of Dr. Satyen Parikh, Executive Dean, Ganpat University, Faculty of Computer Application. Master of Science in Microbiology, Mistri Kinnari Bhupendra Bhai. Please give them a big round of applause. For degree of Master of Biotechnology, Patel Deepak Vinod Bhai. The medal is sponsored in the remembrance of late Dr. Kavit S. Mehta, Associate Professor, Ganpat University, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. MSc in Botany, Jadav Janki Mahesh Bhai. MSc in Mathematics, Patel Charmi Ben Ramanlal. Medal is sponsored by Sri Madhavlal R. Patel, USA. MSc Organic Chemistry, Prajapati Simran Mahendra Kumar. MSc in Physics, Goswami Keurgiri Rajendra Giri. The medal is sponsored by Jitendra Madhavlal Patel, USA. MSc in Food Technology, Patel Kamya Mahesh Kumar. The medal is sponsored by Sri Ramesh Bhai M. Patel, father of Sri Prathamesh R. Patel, Senior Advisor, Ganpat University, Krishi Vignan Kendra. MSc in Chemistry, Analytical Chemistry, medal is sponsored by Renuka Ben C. Adial, USA. Goes to Purohit Jaimin Kumar Ramesh Bhai. The MSc in Chemistry, Pharmaceutical and Nestle, Patel Forum Prakash Kumar. Forum is a recipient of Overall Scholastic Performance Medal sponsored by Kalyanbhai Mewabai Raika Parivar Trustee, Mehsana District Education Foundation. For degree of Master of Social Work in HRM, Kirti Prajapati. Medal is sponsored by Miss Ami Govindbhai Patel. For BTech in Computer Engineering, Bechara Bhargav. Medal is sponsored by Amisha Adi Chaturvedi, kids of Dr. Sarvi Chaturvedi. BTech in Mechanical Engineering, Modi Harsil Chandrasekhar, Desai Arva Dirgayu, and Seth Jainam Hemalbhai. The mother of Jainam is receiving the medal. The medal is sponsored by Chandubai K. Patel, Trustee, Mehsana District Education Foundation. For degree of Mechatronics, medal is sponsored by Satnam Singh and Pritam Singh, Trustee, Mehsana District Education Foundation, Solanki Suraj Ramesh Bhai. For degree of Civil Engineering, Supriya Raj Ashish Bhai, Gajera Pujan Dilip Bhai, Ahir Jatin Maulin Bhai. Medal is sponsored by Prahlad Bhai S. Patel, Ahmedabad. For degree of Electrical Engineering, medal is sponsored by Ganpat Bhai I. Patel, Patron-in-Chief and President, Rawat Sanjay Kumar Chauhan, Sanjay Singh, Chirag Bhai Parmar, and BTech in Automobile, Seladia Hardik Bhupen Bhai. For the degree of BTech in IT, Suthar Heth, medal for scholastic performance is sponsored by Rupesh Singh, CEO Education Center of Australia. Makwana Deepali Anil Bhai, BTech in Marine Engineering, medal is sponsored by Srimati Jyotiben S. Patel, mother of Sri Jantibai S. Patel, Trustee, Mehsana District Education Foundation. BTech in CSE Big Data Analytics, Sofin Vadvania, medal is sponsored by Srimati Kumud Ben D. Patel and Sri Kashiram Bhai Patel Parivar USA. BTech in CSE Cloud-Based Application, Makwana Kunal Rajesh Kumar, medal is sponsored by Dai Ben Patel, mother of Darshan Patel, Quarks System. BTech in Computer Science in Cyber Security, medal is sponsored by Dilip Bhai N. Patel, Sri Kashiram Bhai Patel Parivar. Vikas Sharma, he is receiving in absentia. BTech in Information Technology, Soni Heli Yogesh Bhai, medal is sponsored by Sri Siris K. Patel, Sri Kashiram Bhai Patel Parivar USA. BTech in Biomedical Engineering, Kapadia ROE Darsak. Kapadia ROE is a recipient of Overall Scholastic Medal sponsored by Tulsi Bhai M. Patel, Trustee, Mehsana District Education Foundation, for the degree of Bachelor of Technology. For degree of Bachelor of Pharmacy, Patel Meet Rajendra Bhai, medal is sponsored by Dr. Kirit Kumar D. Patel, Ahmedabad, father of Professor Abhishek Parikh, Principal of Ganpat University, VM Patel College of Management Studies. For BBA in General, Mehrotra Urvasi, medal is sponsored by Sri Amandeep Singh and Amanpreet Singh, Kaur Mehsana. BBA in Financial Services, Ms. Srimati Hinaben S. Patel and Sri Kashiram Bhai Patel Parivar, Soni Tilak Harish Kumar. BBA in Marketing Management, Pranav Anil Mewada, medal sponsored by Radha Tamerisa, Sri Kashiram Bhai Patel Parivar. BBA in Pranav Anil Mewada, medal is sponsored by Kantilal T. Patel, father of Dr. Rakesh Patel, Pro Vice Chancellor, Ganpat University. For degree of PCA, Jivjani Kunal, the medal is sponsored by Srimati Subraji S. Chaube, mother of Dr. Nirbhay Chaube, Professor, Ganpat University, MPIX. For BSc in Computer Application, CANIT, Soni Deep Girish Kumar. For BSc IT, Cyber Security, Manav Vittal Bhai. For degree in BSc IT, ITIMS, Chauhan Krishna Chau. Medal is sponsored by Dr. Hasuben Patel, USA Patron-in-Chief. For BSc in IT, Bhavsar Viswa, medal is sponsored by Jesia IT Association, Ahmedabad. The Bhavsar Viswa is a recipient of overall medal sponsored by Anjana Ben A. Dave, parent of Dr. Saurabh Dave and Professor Hina, Ganpat University. MSc in Microbiology, Ananya Sen, medal is sponsored by Dr. Paresh K. Patel, Sri Kashiram Bhai Patel Parivar, USA. BSc in Biotechnology, Gupta Charmi, medal is sponsored by Sri Ashok P. Patel, Srimati Kashiram Bhai Patel. For degree of Bachelor of Commerce, medal is Jai Rakesh Kumar. For Bachelor of Architecture, Patel Ruby Bipin. For Bachelor of Design, Interior Design, Ganglani Jatin. For Postgraduate Diploma, Hospital Management, Patel Satish Narayan Singh. For PGD MLT, Patel Viswa Pankaj Kumar. For Diploma in Civil Engineering, Seth Viswa Ronak Kumar. Medal is sponsored by Mahendra Bhai K. Patel, California. So please give them a big round of applause. I am going to announce, I request all the dignitaries to remain standing to do the honor for PhD awardee. I request the PhD candidates, as I call their name, please come forward. Sivrendra Kumar Jha, under the guidance of Dr. Piyush J. Patel in Faculty of Technology. Chaudhary Pradeep Sangram Bhai, under the guidance of Dr. Dhaval M. Patel. Patel Dhaval Poonam Chand, under the guidance of Dr. Bhavesh Patel. Patel Bhumi Hasmukh Bhai, under the guidance of Dr. Satish Patel in Faculty of Pharmacy. PH Rathod Sapna Manohar Singh, under the guidance of Dr. P.U. Patel. Madhuri Pandurang Rode, under the guidance of Dr. Dipti Patel. And Sovra Bayas, under the guidance of Nilesh Patel. Yash Parasar, under the guidance of Dr. Nilesh Patel. Mod Pratik, under the guidance of Dr. L.J. Patel. Mercy Mekwan Anil, under the guidance of Dr. B.G. Patel. Alpa Chirag Kumar Seth, under the guidance of P.U. Patel. Patel Kinjal Ben Rasik Lal, under the guidance of Dr. Hitesh Patel. Dave Vidhi Suresh Kumar, under the guidance of Dr. P.U. Patel. And Jain Abhishek Kailas, under the guidance of Dr. Geeta Patel. They are receiving the degree of PhD in Pharmacy. Tulsi Harsh Kumar Vyas, under the guidance of Dr. Girish Patel. Shah Khushbu Linesh Kumar, under the guidance of Dr. Abhishek Parikh for Faculty of Management. Patel Harshesh Kumar, under the guidance of Dr. Mahendra Sharma and Dr. Rajan Purohit. Patolia Jitendra, under the guidance of Dr. Abhishek Parikh. Rajubai Kantilal Shah, under the guidance of Dr. Jayesh Patel. Gondalia Chetan, under the guidance of Dr. Ajay Kumar Patel, under the Faculty of Computer Application. Patel Kashyap Chaitanya Kumar, under the guidance of Ajay Kumar, under the Faculty of Computer Application. Sa Mitali Kishorbai, under the guidance of Dr. Satyen Parikh. Shah Disha Arvind Bhai, under the guidance of Dr. Amit Parekh. Shah Manali Nirav Bhai, under the guidance of Dr. Devang D. Shah. And Nathani Reena Ben Jairam Bhai, under the guidance of Dr. K.M. Chudasma. They all are recipient of PhD degree. I request all of you to give them a big round of applause. Congratulations to all the awardees, PhD awardees and medal holders. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all. Actions speak more than words for this compassionate leader. Padma Shri Sauji Bhai Dhodakia, એટલે નમ્રતા, સાદગી, દયા, પવિત્રતા અને કરુણાનો પર્યાય. શ્રી સાવજીભાઈ ધોળકિયા હરિકૃષ્ણ એક્સપોર્ટ્સ પ્રાઇવેટ લિમિટેડના સ્થાપક અને ચેરમેન છે. હરિકૃષ્ણ એક્સપોર્ટ્સ પ્રાઇવેટ લિમિટેડ એ વિશ્વનું અગ્રણી ડાયમંડ અને ડાયમંડ જ્વેલરી હાઉસ છે, જેની સ્થાપના 1992માં કરવામાં આવી હતી. સર ઇઝ અ બેકન ઓફ લાઇટ હું સોશિયલમાં આગવું સ્થાન મેળવ્યું છે. વિશ્વમાં આપ શ્રી પરોપકારી બિઝનેસમેન, બિઝનેસ ટાઇકૂન અને હીરાના વેપારી તરીકે પ્રખ્યાત છો. સર, વિવિધ રાષ્ટ્રીય, આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય, ઔદ્યોગિક, નાગરિક, ખાનગી અને જાહેર ક્ષેત્રોમાં બહુવિધ પુરસ્કારો, માનદ પદવીઓ અને વૈશ્વિક માન્યતાઓના પ્રાપ્તકર્તા પણ છે. Shri Saujibhai Dhodakia has received one of the highest civilian awards in India, Padma Shri Award in 2022 from President Shri Ramnath Kovind ji for planting 2.4 million saplings and building more than 100 lakes in Gujarat. We request such a gem, Shri Saujibhai Dhodakia, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
સ્વામીજીના ચરણોમાં વંદન.